are going to go over two different topics. The first part is bank reconciliations, and the second part is adjustments to opening balance. So let me share the screen with you, and we are going to use the simple company, Grace Designs and Landscaping Service. So how to start with our bank reconciliation? You can click on the guild, and it will be under Tool. You will see Reconcile. And then the second method is going to accounting, and then click Reconcile. Get start. So under the accounting drop down box, you can click any account that you want to reconcile. So in this case, we choose the checking account. Ending balance. So suppose you get your bank statements. You will look at your bank statements and see what is the ending balance in your bank statements. So suppose I see my bank statements, and then my bank ending balance is 2101. My ending date, let's see. I see my ending date is today's date. Then I will start the reconcile. Here you can see my beginning balance is 5,000, and my ending balance is the one I just entered, 2010. Okay, from here we can see that we have a difference of 2,899. If the account is reconciled, then the difference should be 0. Okay, all the transactions that you see here are from QuickBooks. So that for now, you will look at your bank statements and also look at the transactions in QuickBooks. If you see this $300 that you pay to Robertsons on this date, then you check it. Okay. And then the second one is bills. Okay, you pay the bill for, you make a deposit of $175. If you see this transaction in your bank statements, then you mark a check. So suppose I see all of it, then I can also select all of it. Oh, after I select all of it, I see 900 difference. That means what? That means one of multiple of transactions are not appear in the bank statements. For example, in my case, if they say whole properties didn't cash their check, so that means that it's not appear in my bank statement. I will uncheck it. Oh, my balance is 0 now. So once your balance becomes zeros, you know that these customers didn't, or these vendors didn't cash their check. So, and your account is reconciled. We can click finish it. So you reconcile this account, done. After you reconcile it, you can go to see your reconciliation report by clicking last statement ending date, or you can see like your history of your reconciliations by clicking reconciliations. Okay, and see report. Let's go back to our reconciliations. Let's go back to our reconcile. Here. So right now we have a beginning balance of 2101. So for part 2, so let's go back to our whiteboard. Part 2, we're going to make adjustments to opening balance. So how do I make adjustment to opening balance? I will choose new. I will do a journal entry. In this case, is my checking account. I want to increasing my checking account opening balance by 1,000. And then the other account that are going to be affected is the beginning balance equal to it. My checking account is increasing by 1,000 because I want to increasing my checking, make an adjustment of 1,000 to checking. Okay, including the increasing opening balance. Here I can make the same thing. In this case, I'm not going to write down the name, so I click save. This is a $1,000 adjustment. Okay, let me go back to reload my page. go back to my reconciliation page, and then you will see the reconciliation is still 2010, right? Let me click. Let me say, because I'm increasing it by this amount, right? By $1,000, and then today, then I will click Start Reconcile, and then you guess what? This is my journal entry, correct? This is my journal entry. I just entered 1,000, so I will click 1,000 is reconciled. Finish. Okay, I reconcile this account. Let's go back to the beginning balance. I adjust the beginning balance by increasing it to 3,101. Okay, so that's how you make an adjustment to the beginning balance. I think we are done with today's topic. So finish your bank reconciliations, and I also showed you how you can make an adjustment to your beginning balance. And if you have any questions or any concerns, you can text me through Wyzant Ask, or you can email me. Here is my email. Thank you for listening to my video, and feel welcome to feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye bye. Stop sharing.